this is Jenny and this is my sixth blog, and I'm going to talk and answer the questions which are in the syllabus. This is first time that I undergo classes from two instructors who are married to each other. I was interested and expected about the classes, so I think this vlog's subject is interesting to me, and I'm going to answer the questions. The first answer is that, of course it is. I said before this is my first time, so this is enough a new thing to me. The second answer is that I think maybe it is good for them, so they feel nice and comfortable, because they are married and they always together in home. Many couples talk to each other about their stories of a day, like work, feeling, and so on in the evening. Mr. and Mrs. Lin has same job, that is teaching in ASU, even though they teaching same class. So I think they can talk easily than others who have different jobs. Also, they can understand to each other more easily, because they are teaching same students. The third answer is that, at first, when I know this fact, it was interesting, and I thought they will not refer to each other in each class. However, that was wrong. They told their spouse in their class. For example, in Mrs. Lin's class, she used yellow color on her presentation. So someone said, "We can't see the letters." Then Mrs. Lin said that, "If you use this color in your presentation on Mr. Lin's class, you'll have a bad day." So, also, in Mr. Lin's class, he always mentioned his wife and called her king of the homework. And he said something that like about little privacy. Like he always make a breakfast for her, and she always doing painting so long time. It was interesting, because in Korea they never talk about their spouse, especially when they work in same place. I experienced a special thing thanks to professors. And the first answer is that, yes, I think. They said that they never discuss or talk about us, but I think it is too hard, because we are their common area of talking. So they cannot but talk about us. But I think that they talk about or discuss us with each other is not bad. It's good. There are several reasons. First, through the communicate about us, they can know the student's personality, like she is shy or he is outgoing. I think that professor has to know their student, but it is hard when there are many students. But in class we are only 50. So if they know the students well, the class atmosphere and the student ability will be greater than they don't know this. Second, they can also discuss about the direction of class. Through the dialogue, They can know that what they have to teaching. For instance, Mrs. Lin heard our vlog and she found the problem of our speaking. And then she taught us the right way. We need that because we don't know our problems in speaking through Mr. Lin. And the last answer is that I think that it affects to my ability of English. But there are prerequisites. That is, if two instructors who are married to each other discuss enough to each other. If one person teaches students reading and writing and the other person teaches students who his or her spouse are teaching listening and speaking, they can consult with the contents. English is different between reading and writing and listening and speaking in academically. Although the subject is same, we can't write same as we speaking. So I think that using same subject between different classes can help students. This is the end of my vlog. Thank you for listening.